In this video, you'll learn how to create social media posts using Kimi AI. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to generate engaging content effortlessly. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Kimi AI. Once the page loads, you should see a clean, user-friendly interface. Look for the option to start a new chat, typically located prominently on the home page. Next, locate the prompt area on the screen. This is where you will enter your request for content creation. Click on the designated text box to ensure it is active, which usually highlights the area or displays a blinking cursor. This visual cue indicates that you are ready to type your prompt. After that, type in the command to create a social media post. For example, you could input create a social media post about Demon King Academy. Make sure to be clear and concise in your request. This clarity will help the AI understand exactly what type of content you need. Once you've entered your prompt, proceed by clicking the Enter button. This action typically resides on your keyboard or as a button on the screen, often labeled as Send or Submit. After clicking, you will notice a brief loading indicator or an animation suggesting that the system is processing your request. Now, wait for Kimi AI to generate your social media post. This phase may take a few moments depending on the complexity of your request and the current load on the server. While waiting, ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions. Once the generation is complete, the AI will display the crafted post on the screen, ready for you to review and use as needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.